संसारसागरे मग्नं दीनं मां करुणानिधे कर्ममोह गृहीतांगं मामुद्धर भवार्णवात् श्रीमद् भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्ष कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफल सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यो दासोऽहं तव केशव शुकरूपा प्रबोधज्ञा सर्वशास्त्र विशारदा एतत्कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशया वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादरेणुं अभीक्ष्णशः यासां हरिकथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयं वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादरेणुं अभीक्ष्णशः यासां हरिकथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयम्. Our rishis had foresight and farsight. They wanted to give you an appetizer, a trailer, to tell you why should you read the Bhagavatam, who read the Bhagavatam, what happens when you listen to the Bhagavatam, what are the benefits, and how should you listen to the Bhagavatam. That is how the 6 chapters taken from the Padma Purana give you the introduction to the Bhagavatam, which is called Bhagavata Mahatmya. Everything in India starts with God. There is nothing secular about India. I want to share whatever is happening in the parliament, let it happen. But please remember, on the walls of the parliament, the greatest shlokas of our scriptures are inscribed. Please clap for that. The best shlokas of the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Veda, the Upanishad, everything is inscribed on the walls of the parliament. Of course, the parliamentarians don't read. If they did, that would not, what is happening now would not be happening then, you know. Even a verse from the Mahabharata, the gambling scene, which makes Draupadi say, that is not a sabha where there are no elders. Those are not elders who don't speak about dharma. That is not dharma which does not speak the truth. And that is not the truth which does not protect. This is written there. I wish at least 1% of what is inscribed on the walls is known by our politicians. My dear listeners, that is the wisdom of India. There's nothing secular about India. Everything is spiritual. Please clap. Our Ayurveda, astrology, poetry, our dance and drama, our music and art, everything is religious. Tell our children there will never be a failure if you start with the name of the Lord. Unfortunately, my dear brothers and sisters, even the prarthana in the morning has been deleted from schools in the name of secularism. There is no prayer. There's no prayer in many of the schools. The Mahatmya starts with this prayer. Krishnam Narayanam Vande, Krishnam Vande Vrajapriyam, Krishnam Dvaipayanam Vande, Krishnam Vande Prathasutam. That's the great Lord Krishna. Please remember, talking about the Parabrahma, don't forget yourself in the labyrinth of words. He's there. Ask the Krishna Karnamrita, do you want the zip code of Krishna? Do you want the pin code of Krishna? You want to know where to find him? There are 3 places. That is where Ulukhalam va, Yaminam Manova, Gopangananam, Kuchakutmalam va, Murari Namna, Kalabhasya Nunam, Alanamasit, Trayameva Bhumau. that mischievous, naughty little elephant. People think it's easy to manage a small elephant. The small elephant is more naughty than the big elephant, remember that. And that is why he's called a small elephant. You want to find the small elephant called Krishna? Go to the courtyard of that blessed woman called Yashoda, and you will find him tied to the pounding stone, Ulu Khalamba. The master of the world is tied there and called Damodara thereafter. This is the same Krishna, Krishnam Vande Vraja Priyam. He is the one who is loved by Vraja and who loves Vraja. I hope you understand. Vraja Priya is one who loves Vraja and one who is loved by Vraja. What is Vrindavan, my dear listeners? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, when your eyes starts raining tears and your throat is choked with emotion, when you have goosebumps, that is Vrindavan. Vrindavan is not a geographical territory. Vrindavan is an experience of Krishna, my dear listeners, an experience of Krishna. So even in Naradagan Sabha, you can create Vrindavan. I told my audience, पत्ते पत्ते में राधा और फूल फूल में श्याम, पत्ते पत्ते में राधा और फूल फूल में श्याम, वही है ब्रज की भूमि, वही है गोकुल धाम,
वही है ब्रज की भूमि,
वही है गोकुल धाम, पत्ते पत्ते में राधा. Every leaf, every flower, Radha and Krishna. That is Vrindavan, experience of the Lord. चंदा बनी है राधा तो चांदनी है श्याम, चंदा
बनी है राधा तो चांदनी है श्याम,
सूरज बनी है राधा तो रोशनी है श्याम, सूरज बनी है राधा तो रोशनी है श्याम, पत्ते पत्ते में राधा और फूल फूल में श्याम,
पत्ते पत्ते में राधा और फूल फूल में श्याम,
वही है ब्रज की भूमि,
वही है गोकुल धाम,
वही है ब्रज की भूमि, वही है गोकुल धाम, पत्ते पत्ते में राधा. In North India, when we do the Bhagavatam, we raise our hands and invoke Radha, who is cosmic energy. Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. The third Krishna is the one Dvaipayana Muni who gave us the Bhagavatam. And there's a fourth Krishna. Who is this person? Who is he? He is that enviable friend of Sri Krishna. His name is Arjuna. As Aurobindo called him the chosen disciple and representative man, asking questions of the Lord, and the Lord answers him. I was telling Gita, for daily life is only to tell you God speaks to you. It doesn't have to be through a voice. It can be a silent SMS, an invisible SMS that can come to you. God speaks to us. Remember, the Lord is a presence. The Lord is not confined to an altar or a temple. He is there with you. Yat karoshi, yat ashnasi, yat juhoshi, dadasyat, yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurushva madarpanam. If the Lord was not next to you, how could you give it to him? He is there. He is there. This is how Arjuna is the envy of all people who have read about him. We bow down to that Arjuna. One of the names of Arjuna is Krishna. When you come to a satsang, what happens? Let me tell you, you made the right choice because you chose joy. Everywhere there is sorrow. On the TV there is sorrow. In the newspaper there is sorrow. In the magazine there is sorrow. Among your friends there is sorrow. Among your relatives there is more sorrow. Everywhere there is sorrow. Shri Krishna created the world and added a non-guarantee tag. Anityam, asukham, lokam, imam, prapya, bhajasvamam. Oh Arjuna, the world is full of sorrow. The only place where you don't have dukkha is where you are thinking of Satchitananda Rupaya Vishwotpatyadi Hetave Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayam Namaha. My dear listeners, the only moment I really feel happy is the time when I'm sitting on the dais. This is the time when I'm connected with the divine joy. When you're listening to the divine history, you have divine joy. You don't have any streak of sorrow in you. Unfortunately, we don't realize that this is the only way to de-stress yourself. No tablet, no chemical, no therapy except satsang, my dear listeners, except satsang. Satsangatve nissangatvam, nissangatve nirmohatvam, satsangatve
निस्सङ्गत्वं
निस्सङ्गत्वे निर्मोहत्वं निर्मोहत्वे निश्चलितत्वं
निर्मोहत्वे निश्चैतत्वं
निश्चलितत्वे जीवन्मुक्तिः
निश्चैतत्वे जीवनमुक्ति
भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति डुक्रिं कर्णे. When you see a person smiling, you also begin to smile. When you see a person crying, you also become morose. Shri Krishna is always smiling. Tell me, when you enter the sanctum sanctorum of Venkateshwara in Tirupati, do you ever remember any sorrow of yours? The moment you have a glimpse of him from far, Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. That is all. You have forgotten everything under the sun. No before, no after. Only the lovely present. The lovely present makes you God conscious, makes you Venkateshwara conscious. And you are smiling. More than looking at the Lord, I look at the faces of people who have had darshan of the Lord. I find all of them are smiling. I said, Krishna, Narayana, Govinda, how many people you are transforming? How many people you are transforming, Satchitananda Rupaya? All officers are full of stress. I wish officers could come and listen to the Bhagavatam, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and de-stress themselves. They need to. They need to. Human life needs to be de-stressed. And the only one who can do it is Krishna. Satchit Ananda. That is what my Lord is. He is the one who creates the world, sustains the world, and destroys the world. And he is the one who removed the 3 tapas. All of us have 3 tapas. The first tapa is from the mind. Again and again I tell my audience, please remember the mind is the most important factor in our life. We can't see it. Doctor will tell you, there is no equipment which can tell you where the mind is. It is so small, so powerful, and yet you know you can't have a glimpse of it. It is the mind that decides. Indriyanam manaschasmi, says the Lord in the Gita. The mind is very important, and it is the mind that is causing all our problems today. If the mind is clean, if the mind is not cluttered, if the mind doesn't have the wrong vision, then we'll have the right life. Unfortunately, the mind is now under stress and strain in wrong company. It makes the wrong decision. It takes the wrong decision. It takes the wrong step. And that is why it makes us depressed. Depression is caused by the mind. Depression is caused by the mind that looks before and after and pines for what is not. It is never making us happy. It is always complaining. And it is this mind that is set in order when you come to the Bhagavatam, because Krishna is tapatraya vinashaya. He removes all the tapa of the mind, all the tapa of nature around us, all the tapa caused by different people and different creatures. He is the one who can protect us. He is the one who can save us. We bow down to him. To make the long story short, the Mahatmya tells us that Naradji once was wandering all over the world and he discovered a young lady crying. He asked her, "Why are you weeping, my dear?" She said, "My name is Bhakti and I am very sad because my 2 sons, Jnana and Vairagya, both of them are prematurely old concepts. The concept of devotion is still alive because bhajana goes on, kirtana goes on, pilgrimage visits go on. So bhakti is there." But I was surprised when one of the officers in TT Devasthanam reported the buses had stopped The vehicles had stopped, but 50,000 people are walking up the hill to have darshan. Clap for them. 50,000 people are walking up the hill. Nothing can stop devotion. Devotion will always grow. But then Jnana and Vairagya, both of them are dwindling, diminishing. What shall we do? This is her question. And she's asking Naradji, you saved two children called Prahlada? My dear listeners, if only our school education pattern, we have so many patterns, if our school educational pattern would only introduce something of the education that Dhruva and Prahlada had, we would not have a sad generation coming up, a depressed youth coming up, a violent youth coming up. They would know the meaning of life. They would know the meaning of devotion. Prahlada, you saved, sir. You saved Dhruva. Why don't you save my children? She says, and there is Naradji consoling her. Don't worry, Bhakti. Where is that Krishna gone? The Krishna who saved Draupadi, the Krishna who saved the gopis from their unwholesome pride. Where is that Krishna gone? Whenever you have a problem, my dear listeners, please listen. Whenever you have a problem, and 90% of us have problems, please don't go to people with more problems. Please go to people who will solve your problem. When there is a fire, you go to the fire brigade, no? Similarly, when you have a high fever, you take antibiotic or some kashayam. So go to the medicine, which is the best cure for the disease. Please choose your company when you are sad. Don't go to people who will make you sadder still. Naradji says, Vritha khedaya se bale. Don't worry, woman, don't worry. Krishna is there. Krishna is there. Again and again, I'm speaking about the Bhagavatam, day after day, month after month. And what is the Pallavi of my Katha? Don't forget that Krishna is there. That is all. Krishna talks to you. Krishna listens to you. Krishna guides you. Krishna governs you. Krishna is there with you day and night. 24/7, Krishna is there. He never puts on the don't disturb board. Please remember. The modern educated man is a weakling. The more lettered he is, the more educated he is, the more weak he is. That's the problem. And I want him to be strong. Vritha khedaya se bale. Here is Narada saying, why are you weeping in vain, woman? Krishna is there with you. Sa Krishna kvapino gataha. Where is that Krishna gone? Which Krishna, sir? That Krishna who saved Draupadi. That Krishna who wanted the gopis to be humble in the Rasa Leela. I will elaborate when I come to the Rasa Leela. Naradji tries to wake up these two children, Jnana and Vairagya. Both of them are fast asleep. Naradji feels depressed now. Oh, I am a failure. I couldn't wake them up with all the scriptures. I couldn't wake them up. What do? Jnana, wake up. Vairagya, wake up. But they don't wake up. And then he finds that being a failure is too much for him. Naradji is one of the best PROs of Sri Narayana. When he has said, Jnana prabudhyatam shigram, re vairagya prabudhyatam, and yet they have not awakened, he is sad. He looks up at heaven. There is an ashariri. There is an ethereal voice. The voice tells him, don't worry. You have a solution. And the solution comes in the form of his brothers. His brothers are the Sanat Kumaras. He meets the Sanat Kumaras, and the Sanat Kumaras say, no, brother, no. Don't get depressed. A day will come. A day will come when every house will have bhajan. I want to ask you a simple question. There was a time, I hope the TV channels won't mistake me. There was a time when there used to be only entertainment, but now we're very happy that we have channels like SVBC, Asta and Sanskar, and all the secular channels also starting with Suprabhatam. Please give them a big hand. It may be a Tamil Suprabhatam, it may be a Sanskrit Suprabhatam, does not matter. Some picture of the Lord you see. Every day, everywhere, the name of the Lord will be taken, and not in vain. This is what the Sarat Kumaras say. Jnana Vairagya Samyukta Bhakti Prema Rasavaha Pratigeham Pratijanam Tata Kridam Karishyati. I don't mind repeating, but in my life, this has been a clarion call of my life. More than 35 to 40 years back, Ranganathandan Swami of the Ramakrishna Mission put his hand on my head and said, you know the way he used to speak. He had his own inimitable style. Prema, a day will come when you will go from house to house, city to city, country to country, spreading the Bhagavatam. Exactly what is happening. Exactly what is happening now. From house to house, city to city, country to country. A country like Bahamas, can you imagine? People go for sunbathing there. All over the beach, you have beautiful women lying. And on one side, I was doing the Bhagavatam. Please clap for me. Please clap for me. From where to where the Lord takes, I don't know. Pratigeham, pratijanam, tata kridam karishyati. When the great men prophesy, the prophecy comes true, my dear listeners. The prophecy comes true. There will come a time when bhakti will spread all over. Don't worry. Don't worry about the future of Hinduism. Hinduism can never die, my dear listeners. Hinduism can never die. This is how the great prophecy was made. And then the only way to make jnana and vairagya come back to life is to make them listen to the Bhagavatam. And the Bhagavatam is one beautiful work, which Akhananji Maharaj of Vrindavan says, some works give you jnana, some give you vairagya, some give you bhakti, but where the Bhagavata is concerned, all the three are there. All the three works, all the three are given to you because this is one great work which can give jnana to the jnani, vairagya to the vairagi, and bhakti to the bhakta. That is how all the triple benefactions are given to you from the Bhagavatam. When Mother Bhakti comes to know that Bhagavatam is being read out to her two sons, suddenly they get rejuvenated, concept again. They become rejuvenated. In the Bhagavatam, you have Vairagya rejuvenated, Jnana rejuvenated. Of course, Bhakti is overwhelming and all of them are dancing together. Bhakti sutau tau tarunau grihitva premaika rupa sahasa virasit Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Natheti namani muhurvadanti 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 Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Natheti namani muhurvadanti
Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murare
Natheti namani muhurvadanti.